Hello students, welcome to class 7. Okay, now we will start question number 5 up to example number 4. Question number 4 we have finished. So let's start. Consider this data collected from a survey of colony. What is the data about? Favorite sports. Here number of people who are watching and number of participants it is given. Name of the sports: cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletics. Here number of people those who are watching this game 1240 and participants 620. Here it is given, you can see. Question number 1. Draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. What do you infer from the bar graph? First of all, you have to draw bar graph and you have to write what is this graph about. So numerical data generally we are writing on the y-axis, you can see, and sports name on the x-axis. So as I have explained in the previous video lecture how to draw bar graph and scale. So what is the maximum number of people? 1240. So you have to choose scale. 1 unit 1 centimeter is equal to 100 persons. Then only you can reach up to 1000 or 1200. Okay. So first cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athlete. Write down the names. Here write down this number of persons: 0, 100, 200, 300, 400 up to 1000. Then you can write, here it is not written but you can write 1100 and 1200, 1300. Now how to draw graph? First sport is cricket. So you can see here this blank bar is the watching persons and the shaded bar is participating persons. So in every sport you will do like that. First you will draw graph of watching persons and second one will be of participants. Here you can see watching and participants. Watching participants. You can check. How many watching persons are there for cricket? 1240. So here it is 1000. Then you have to write 1100, then 1200. And up to 1240 you have to extend this bar. And participants 620. So here little more than 600 you have to extend this bar. And one bar you leave as it is and in the second bar you have to shade it. Same way 470, 320. 470 up to here and 320 up to here. This way how to draw all the bars. And what is this bar about? This graph about? This bar graph represents the number of persons who are watching and participating in their favorite sports. Second one, which sport is most popular? Number of persons, cricket. In watching also, in participating also. Which is more preferred, watching or participating in sports? Most of the people like to watch it. So watching is more preferred than participating. Now last one, take the data giving the minimum and the maximum temperature of various cities given in the beginning of this chapter. Plot a double bar graph using the data. Answer the following. You can see question number 1, there temperature of different cities on the date 20th June 2006 it is given. So you have to, here also it is given. You have to draw graph and answer following questions. You can see graph already here it is given. Graph you draw yourself. Now let's see the questions. Which city has the largest difference in minimum and maximum temperature on the given data? So Jammu has the largest difference in temperature. Where is the Jammu? Yes. Maximum temperature 41 and minimum 26. You can see the temperature of all cities. Here Jammu is the city which has the largest difference in minimum and maximum temperature. Which is the hottest city and which is the coldest? So where is the maximum temperature? What is the temperature? 41. So it is of Jammu. And minimum 21. It is of Bangalore. Let's see the answer. Yes, Jammu is the hottest city and Bangalore is the coldest city. Name two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of other. So maximum temperature of Bangalore is 28. Minimum temperature of two cities whose minimum temperature is higher than maximum are Ahmedabad and Jaipur. What is the question? Let's see. What is the maximum temperature of Bangalore? 28. What is the minimum temperature of Ahmedabad? 29. Which is greater than Bangalore? Actually, this 28 is maximum of Bangalore, whereas 29, which is greater than 28, but it is the minimum of Ahmedabad. Same way, 29, which is minimum temperature of Jaipur, whereas 28, which is greater than 20, less than 29, and it is the maximum temperature of Bangalore. Name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and maximum temperature. Mumbai has the least difference in a temperature. 32 minus 27 is equal to 5 degree Celsius. You have to find least difference. So you have to see the data and you have to find out difference between maximum and minimum. Which city has the least? It is a Mumbai. Where is the Mumbai? Here it is.